Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Uh, Welcome to this session about this is about the mathematical expression solution, and it's a radical problem solution, and as appeared uh, by the link provided, I'm going to share your link right away. It's a wonderful video. I am right away giving you the the link in here, so that as usual, I thank the creator of this video, and I say special thanks to this to the following source. Yeah, it's a wonderful presentation. How if I recommend everyone to see this video and go through this solution. It's a wonderful presentation after. So that compelled me to let's try doing this solution and verifying it using the Excel, right? So Excel has got all those functionalities available which you can use to solve the mathematical expression problems, etc. So what I have done for the first thing I did is that I broke all these equation components into these, right? The first is 5/2 under root, right? And this is in terms of Excel, it is simply like this expression, right? If I show you, this is SQRT function, and in which you just write 5 divided by 2. That's it. So it's going to give you the result right away, right? The next, I brought the copy of it. So this is it. It is the SQRT and 2, right? So this is right. The third one, once you have got this, now you can do this part. That is the summation of these two, and with the exponentation of 9, right? So I have started the bracket. I did the summation of these two things. Yeah, these two are highlighted, and this is exponentation raised to power 9, right? Okay, so it right away gives you what is the result of this expression, right? The next is the other part of this. So let's use again the same thing. So it has the same result, right, as already mentioned. And then the under the square root of 2, right? And you have the same thing in here. Only the difference is that you have to minus it. Instead of adding them, you have to minus it. I mean, subtract it and doing it. So this is the expression. If you double click it, so you are actually J21 minus J29, right? And raised to power 9, right? Okay. So this gives you apparently a 0, but it does have some value up to F9 if you press it. So it does have some value. So we are not disturbing it. So appearance in Excel, what appears in the cell, not necessarily that it is the value. So in order to see the exact value, you have to click on this and then press F2 and then press F9. So this is going to tell you what these 0 are actually valuing. So these are the values. Okay. So since we have got these two parts available, the result is available. All we need to do is add this into this, means add these two values, and you get the result. Then here we are only adding J15 with Q15 or O15, and that makes you that's the result, right? 258, right? And so this is the result of this. So that was the question, right? So this is the Excel way of doing it, right? And but nevertheless, it's a wonderful piece of work by the presenter of this video, and it has 1941.257, right? Okay, so that's not much difference. This is what appears here. It is not necessarily 258. Again, we use the same rule which we explained. Press F2 and press F9 to see the actual result. So 257 is right thing, right? So since it is 2579, that's why it was showing 258. Okay, so 2579 is the right answer, right? 2.259. 258 is actually it is just an appearance. The actual value is shown as like this. Press F2 and then press F9, and this will show you exact value. Okay? 2579, right? So until 257, it has mentioned 257. That's fine. Okay. Okay. So this was wonderful piece of work. Please do see that video, which tells you how the student should solve it. And wonderful piece of work. And I just thought that I share how Excel helps you do all these things. So you may not be allowed in your exams to, the students are not allowed to use the Excel in that, but while preparing, it's nevertheless it's a great tool, and it's a great skill set if you have developed it, and that to use the Excel, because knowing the scientific formulas it's still a very good skill set. So similarly, knowing the automation, knowing the Excel expertise, that would help you in your career. When you know these functionalities, then you can apply in your life. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. In maths and algebra, normally you come across such a question like simplify this equation. Right? So, so this is a math simplification theorem, and there are plenty of them are available. And this is a very nice link. I'm recommending. Please go through this. They tell you in depth for the students that how to solve this math. But um, our objective is what is to apply Excel on it and quickly verify that what is the solution. What would be the value of X if we have to solve this equation, right? So let's write this equation in terms of Excel, right? The first thing we do is typing an equal to sign that is telling to the Excel that we are writing a formula, okay? And we focus only the first part, that is the within the parentheses, so that and the second part will be kept in separately. Okay, so 2 we will write 2 as it is. So let's start the bracket first, the parenthesis, and then 2. Now raised to power x, raised to power is you hold down shift with one hand and strike 6 with the other. So this is the exponentation, raised to power, right? Raised to power x, right? So okay, this is x. Okay, so and then you type plus in here. Okay, okay, right, and then you type 4 and raise to power again, hold down shift and type this. Okay, so this makes you exponentation. Now the same h3 will be okay, and we close the bracket. Okay, so this is the first part of the equation, right, which we have written. Okay, now the other part is denominator or numerator, is this. So in what denominator? So this is, here we type 2 raised to power. So let's put an equal to sign first. 2 raised to power h3, right? Okay, fair enough, right? Now we have to increment this so that the value is set to 17, right? So let's put here this equal to this divided by this. Okay, I'm sorry, this divided by this, right? Okay, that's right. Okay, okay, so this has to be 17. As soon as it becomes 17, you will get the answer, that what would be the value of x. So let's type, so let's try, say, any number and see all these formulas are working, right? Okay, 1, 2, 200, for example, or 22, okay, right? Okay, so these are, so we have to see that what would be the appropriate value of x so that this becomes 17, right? So this is, we color it differently, that our target is this, okay? And we keep on changing this until this becomes 17. So in Excel, to do this, we have the function and the data. Here we go to the forecast, and here is a what if analysis, and go to the goal seek. Right? In the goal seek, you set some cell. So the cell which is to be set is this, right? And 2, it has to be set to some value. So 17 is the right thing. Right? So 17, we want this cell to be set 17 by changing this, the values in X3, right? Okay, so let's click OK. So this is 17, almost 17, and 3.9999, at least 4. This is the answer, and this will be verified, and we will see this video better, and the actual steps, the as required by a student to do, these are mentioned in it. Please do see this video, and do try to use Excel to verify your working, and simple step, that is the goal seek, and the goal seek is in the data tab, in the forecast group, and there is a what if analysis, and goal seek will take you to the value which you want to achieve your desired result, that is 17. Okay, so thank you very much for joining. let's test ourselves about our learning. So there are the two questions we can answer. Goal seek in Excel is a tool that uh, helps you find the output value in a formula for which you already know the input, or helps you find the input value in a formula for which you already know the outcome or output, right? Yeah. Or it helps you find the minimum value in a formula for which you already know that, or the maximum value in a formula. So the right answer is this. Okay. So let's go to the next question. The next question: goal seek is a tool located where? And a data analysis, yeah, and solver. No, okay, and data forecast and what if analysis. Data forecast and what if analysis, and data analyze and data analysis. Data analyze and data analysis. No, okay, or data analyze. So the right answer is data forecast and what if analysis. That is going to take you to the. So right answer is this. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. See you in our next presentation.